excited, y'all. Just called at the wrong time, right? Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Shakia, so we'll do some back. And if you're not new, you're clicking on this video, I appreciate you for coming on back. Hey, coming on back. Hey, coming on back, coming on back, y'all. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? What's good? Hey, what's good? Alright, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video, okay? So this puppy right here is my iPad. So I'm gonna save this for another video. And I got accessories for it too, you feel me? As you see, y'all can't even see it, but this box right here is, hold on, is my new ring light. So yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna choke on my spit. But anyway, yeah, so if y'all haven't known, y'all, like last week, my ring light had just broken. Hold on, let me turn down. Yeah, if you haven't known or have followed my social medias, you would have known this happened. My ring light broke on me last week, so I asked you guys on my community tab what unboxing videos y'all want. So y'all want all three of these, so hey. So I had that ring light for a few months. So this is the newer ring light that everybody, I'm pretty sure everybody don't have and stuff. So yeah, so I had ordered this last week so I can do this unboxing for you guys, so when I get to town, you feel me, back from my little vacay that I did, yeah, y'all will be able to see me unbox this video. So y'all, next will be my iPad, and then the next one will be my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Is coming in the mail. It's actually coming Monday. So yeah, y'all, so without further ado, we're gonna attempt to unbox this. Hopefully I get it correct. I just hope y'all can see. Oh yeah, let me just put this, is it backwards? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let me just lay it down like this. So I'm laying it flat on the floor. So yeah, so yeah, y'all, ordered this last week. This is the newer ring light, you know, the 18-inch that everybody, you know, gets. You feel me? Oh my gosh, this box, y'all, I wish y'all can see with me. Okay, so here's the paper. My room is gonna be so dirty, bro. Oh, this ring light kind of heavy, baby.
What the fuck? This shit pissing me off.
Oh, it got a handle. Oh, that's good. Woo! Look, y'all. So this is the ring light. Woo. Okay. All right. Now, first of all, let me put this in the living room so my cats can have fun with it and they can just enjoy themselves. So just give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. Okay, so I changed the setting a little bit. Sorry, y'all. But here is the ring light. Woo! Yes, y'all. So, whew, okay. I want y'all to see me unbox this thing. I don't know why I'm so excited. Like, yo, am I the only one who gets excited when they get packages? Am I the No, see, I don't wanna. Oh, okay. I never know how to open packages correctly. I never know how to.
No!
Okay. I guess I'm assuming this is the stand because I've seen a lot of videos on this particular ring light. And I always wanted this ring light. And look at it, y'all. Wait. I thought it showed the sign. Oh, look at it. Ooh, Neewer. Okay, y'all. So this particular video isn't to kind of brag or anything, but I was supposed to get this ring light last year. You know what I'm saying? I am not trying to drop that, okay? But yeah, I was supposed to get this ring light last year, and I got actually had purchased a 10-inch ring light. So, all right. So this is the stand, y'all. This is the stand, and this is like the heavy duty one. I would hope. So, how we go? I don't know how many times I don't see so many videos on it. Oh, I know it flips around because this is the part it's supposed to. I'm not trying to break this ring light already. Okay, hold on, y'all. All right, so it looks like this as of right now. Don't it flip? Oh wait, is it supposed to be this? What?
Oh my God! Wow!
What do I do? Unscrew this? Y'all, I don't know, do this part. So, because I know it flips around. Okay, so we're gonna come back to this. It looks, it looks weird standing, like sitting here like this. It looks like a spider. Oh, what's that? Okay, so now we get these two pieces. Let me come up, so I know y'all can't see this. So it comes with this, and it comes with this. I don't know. Probably gonna have to read the instructions. So my cats are currently loving that box out there, y'all. I wish y'all guys could see them, but yeah, can't do that. Unboxing the video. So, oh my God, yo, this thing is huge in person. Oh, this bag stink, y'all. Ooh. Oh my God, this ring light is bigger than my head. Yo, what? What? Okay, y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. I thought I broke it. All right, y'all. So this is all that comes in the. I broke my nail. I broke my nail already, y'all.
Oh my God!
But this is the traveling bag that the ring light comes in. So we're gonna put this over here, and I'm assuming these are the. What are the instructions? This thing ain't coming on instructions. They gotta come with some instructions. Where is they? I know you're lying. Wait, this thing didn't come with instructions? Oh, yo, so they just leave you hanging with putting this bar up by yourself. Oh wait, it might come in here. So this is the little I think it comes with the little the lights in here. Okay. Ooh, there go the instructions. So this is it, y'all, right here. Oh, right here, because y'all know last time, my last unboxing, I don't drop the thing already. So, oh my God, I got my bag on the floor. customer service thing. Put that over there. And then this is the packaging list. And it shows you what comes in it. And here's the instructions. Yes! This is what I'm looking for. Okay. 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 Just give me a... Oh. Okay, y'all. So, I'm going to try to do this. Okay. So, we're back with this one. It says to put... I don't know how to do this. Yo, on the instructions, it make it seem so easy. The instructions make it so easy to get the legs down. Y'all, let me show y'all what I mean. So here's the installation for the legs. And they say put one hand here and it's supposed to get this. So, y'all, when I get the legs like correctly down, because they look like spiders right now, I'm gonna come back. So give me a second. Okay, y'all, I got the legs down. Okay, so I'm probably gonna want it like this. So, boom, there you go. Why I look crooked on camera? Well, I don't want it that. Okay. See, it look crooked on camera, but it's all right. So, the next step. What's the next step? Installation of soft tube. Soft tube. Okay. So, is this rod part right here in the bag? Okay. So this is the soft tube, y'all. And I'm assuming it goes like this. Does it screw? I hope it's going anyway. Sorry, y'all. I'm watching The Mummy. It looks like this thing ain't even going no damn way. Take this nub out because there's like a little thing right here. So all you gotta do is take it out, put it back in. Because I watched the girl's video. She said get it like right at the nub and then put it back. Is this? Oh, okay. And then screw it back, I hope. Is this supposed to be like this? Oh, and it levels up! What? Okay. So I assume it goes like that, y'all. Okay? Is to install the color filter. So the color filter is these two pieces. This and this. So obviously we're going to install this because I'm not a photographer, and I'm going to put these rubber bands right back where they gave them to me because, baby, we ain't about to lose that. Alright, so I'm going to put it right here by my whiteboard. And here's the ring light right here. I just had it on the floor. I just don't know where I'm going to hook this thing up at, but we'll figure it out. How are you supposed to install this thing? Is it supposed to be like this? Oh, this is supposed to be at the bottom. Baby, how the hell you do this? Because this says install the bottom one first. What the hell? Hold up, y'all. First mount the color filter at the bottom of the ring light. Then mount the other three color filters in order. How are you supposed to know which one is in order? Are these things supposed to go on the outside? Oh! I ain't trying to break nothing. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh, wait, I did something wrong. Are we supposed to put it underneath that lip? What the hell? Because it said just to add it in order, but you know, we don't never do stuff in order. that doesn't even look right. Wait. Y'all can see? I'm saying it like y'all can answer. Okay. See, this part is it supposed to be like that? Okay. Ah, there it goes. Everybody in place. Wait, I gotta hit that snap. Up. Okay, look. Everybody's in place, so I got the fillers on right now, y'all. Some things is hard to put on. But anyway, alright. So what's the next step? The next step is to install mirror. What mirror? I don't need no mirror. Mirror 1. Mirror 2. No, baby. Anyway, I don't know what they're talking about with the mirror, but we're gonna have to install this little bolt thing. So my ring light is gonna be sitting low for my reactions. So, oh, this is for the smartphone. Okay. Ah, there it goes. Okay. Where does it go? Cause this little bolt thing is supposed to be for the top. This doesn't go like this. Did I have it on the wrong way? Is it supposed to be? I think it's supposed to be like this. This thing is kind of high. I hope I'm doing this right. I was about to say this thing don't feel secure. So, what I wanted to do is to angle it down a little bit because I'm be sitting down. I don't record my videos standing up. If that makes sense. So. Okay, y'all, so she looks nice. Oh, I don't like this thing right here. Why it's so damn loose? I think this is the lowest it can go. Can it? I don't know. But I'm gonna turn it around. So this, how it is standing up, this thing is huge, bro. Yo, it's my height. And it can go higher too. So this, it goes up. Oh my God, Jesus! I mean, let me not put Jesus' name in vain. But wow, this is tall. All right, I don't need it this tall. I don't know. Yo, guys, this right here is like freaking tall enough alone because I'm just sitting down. Why do it look like that? Okay, so I'm not gonna do that as of yet. You feel me? But yeah, y'all. So we're gonna apply this to here. Okay, it goes like that, and then you have to attach. I have to be quick with this now because my storage on my iPad is currently full. That's why I bought another one. Okay. Okay, so I'm just trying to put this piece together, and then after we can see, it goes like this. Okay, y'all, so I had to free up some space on my iPad. So, well, these legs are long. Oh, you can push it all the way down. That's cool. Right now, and woo! Oh my gosh! Hold on, y'all. Y'all should have seen my reaction. Okay. Okay, y'all. So my bad. I'm running out of storage right now. So yeah. So this is the ring light. Ooh, it's so bright. Okay. So this is the lowest. This is the highest. Now this is the highest, y'all. This is the highest. Oh my gosh. It's damn near bright and blonde to me. Gee. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have it like this. Excuse the pimple, but okay, y'all. I think I did it. Oh. I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, y'all. So y'all reached the end of this video. Make sure you give me a fat thumbs up. Comment down below. You know what you think of this ring light. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have it. Let me know. You feel me? I'm just like so excited. So yeah, y'all. Make sure you thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.